liking that. So I'm gonna do my own using chicken breast. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pound these breasts down, cut out the fat and cut it into bite-sized pieces. Then I will saute it at the bottom of my rice pot as I get my yellow rice and the seasonings and all that ready to go. I will show you when I'm done pounding and cutting my chicken. So here is one chopped up, pounded and chopped up. I took out the fat. I'm gonna put it in my rice pot and then add these two in, and then I'll show you how I season. Okay, now I will start seasoning the chicken. So I put in some garlic, some sofrito, sazon, adobo, paprika, black pepper, and some basil. And a chicken bouillon. Now I will saute this up and then I'll show you when I add in my rice. I'm going to spin it around and then add some water in as well. Now I will be adding in my water. I will turn this around and then I'll show you what I do next. Okay, now I will let this get hot and bubbly, and then turn it around and show you what I do next and when I cover it. Okay, now I will start turning it. I have my heat on low and I will cover it. I have my heat on low and I cover it. I will cover it keep it covered for 15 to 20 minutes. It's been 15 minutes, so I'm going to turn it, taste test it, and see if I have to leave it covered for another 5 minutes. Okay, so I moved it off of the burner because it came out perfectly soft and good. And seasoning, oh my god, I want to eat it right now. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and to share it out, and always remember to make good choices and be good